It is honor that led us to respond to the call to serve in these various positions.
Because not only will it help to reduce the number of cases in the court, but it will also help to deliver justice within communities.
And to ensure that the justice of every situation that it is confronted with is met.
On the adjournment of 2022, the Ministry of Justice was adjudged as performing in favor of the people and with good governance. Of course, the verdict would have been ruled from the ministry's evidence-based strategic approach. Here's 2022's final brief.
The judiciary and the court system have my full support as we work together to provide a justice system that Jamaicans can be proud of.
Some outstanding names with solid performance records were added or moved to new capacities on the ministry's roster last year. Queen's Counsel Caroline Reed Cameron became the island's new public defender, while Justice Marva MacDonald Bishop was sworn in as acting president of the Court of Appeal. Added to the people propelling justice was the appointment of 5 new judges to the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court. Ian Forbes' installation as Custos Rotolorum for St. Andrew. The St. Catherine Justice of the Peace Association also made its official debut, and more broadly, over 189 JPs were commissioned for the year.
Just embrace this new aspect of your career with the same dedication and diligence that you have that took you to the point where you now are.
Collaborative efforts were high on the ministry's docket. A partnership was established with the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, to support the public education campaign on the use of alternative dispute resolution methods. The Justice Ministry also engaged the Ministry of Education and Youth, and together they were able to expand conflict resolution programs in over 80 schools. The ministry also signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with churches to train its members in restorative and alternative dispute.
We are embarking on a program of support and partnership, which I have absolutely no doubt will bear enormous fruit.
The physical look and feel of justice infrastructure was another high target area. The ministry's course of action allowed for the establishment of the Pembroke Hall Restorative Justice Center to deal with matters related to child diversion, restorative justice, dispute resolution, and other issues. The Addison Park Sports Complex was renovated to house the St. Anne Parish Court, which was destroyed by fire. Jamaica's justice is in good hands.
The Ministry of Justice is playing its role in the governance of this country.